Try this functional exercise. I love it. You can go light. These are a little bit lighter, only 5 pounds, or you can go really heavy for a lot more stability and core. So all you can do is lift your knee, cross over, lift, and you don't want to go really fast because you want to use all the muscles to balance. Reach and cross. Push on it. Reach and push. Notice I'm struggling for my balance because of the weight. We're going to do a couple more. And reach, so it's one knee and then hip, and then we're going to switch it out. So again, over the knees, cross the hip. Split the knees, cross to the hip. Everything's working to keep those weights moving. Pull and cross. We only have a few more. Pull. Tight contraction of the ab will help. Shoulders are working too. Are you breathing out there? Oh my gosh, I'm starting to feel it. Give me one more. Lift and pull. Functional training with the light weights for me today. Until next time.